This is Kiki Knight with Bethel Children's Ministry, and I wanted to give you just a few keys to helping you be your child's best Sunday school teacher. Number one, be flexible. In a 2-hour church service, our staff may have a 5-minute window with any given child that is the God moment of the day. Sometimes there's an event and most of the class experiences it, and sometimes only a few. You want to give yourself the out of not having to put too much pressure on any one particular lesson. 2, follow their lead. There are times to be the teacher and to give directions, but there are also times to listen to what your kids are telling you. Be sure you're asking lots and lots of questions. What are they feeling? What are they seeing? What are they sensing? What are they hearing? Don't get lost in perfect doctrine. Start by believing them. That's number 1. Start believing them. And then you can gently steer the concepts to a more accurate doctrine if necessary. 3, be their guide. Move into action. Help lead them to pray for the situation, or possibly help them declare God's truth, or spend time worshiping, creating, soaking, whatever the moment calls for. That's the adult part that needs to come in and guide them. Number 4, lay your expectations down. Enjoy your kids and the Lord. Think of it as a marvelous adventure. Sometimes we find treasure and sometimes we don't, but we always have fun enjoying each other. Number 5 is don't give up. There's a reason Blue's Clues plays exactly the same episode every day for a week. Kids learn more from the repetition, and they begin to gain competence with the material by the end of the week. You want your kids to feel competent in this. So, my encouragement to you is be ready for a marvelous adventure, and may hope fill your home.